So, good evening, guys. I would like to tell you कि when you come for education counseling interviews and like what types of questions they ask and what type of things you should know already. So you're coming in a company, so you should check कंपनी किस बैकग्राउंड से है. ओके, कॉमर्स से है. क्या उनके यूएसपी प्रोडक्ट्स क्या उनके. ओके, ए सी सी ए. व्हाट इज़ ए सी सी ए? ओके, इट्स एन अथॉरिटी विच प्रोवाइड्स हेल्प्स यू टू डू ग्लोबल सी ए. एक कोर्स है ग्लोबल सी ए का, तो जिसमें जैसे इन इंडिया वी डू सी ए एंड इट so they have authority to do audit in companies which belongs to India. But if you do ACCA, you will be authorized to do audit throughout globe, like 181 countries, 181 plus countries you can do. So if you do ACCA, you get jobs in MNCs, okay, in 181 plus countries. So that's big range, okay. Okay, what so you need to check, okay, which universities have tie up with. Okay, 16 university they have tie up with. Which location they are working. Okay, 3 location, Mumbai, Surat, Jaipur. Okay, so you get location. Okay, company is 15-year-old. Okay, 15-year-old company with 180 plus employees, a lot of facilities, 13 colleges tie up. Say Lala Lajpat Rai College is in Lala Lajpat Rai College is in uh, Mahalakshmi, KES College of Kandivali, mm, and Joshi Medical College of Thane, SIS College of Sion, CHM College of Ulhasnagar. So yes, you should be aware कि थोड़ा बहुत सब कुछ बारे में आपको मालूम है. Okay, so they have ये ACCA course goes for 2.5 years, international BCom, IBCom goes for 4 years. So BCom plus ACCA, it's they have made a course called IBCom, international BCom. So ये 4 साल का होता है. So you I like little information कि कंपनी कब चली. Okay, 2011 में they got tie up with ACCA in 2013. ऐसे आपको point to point समझ लेना है, इनबिल्ड करना है, रटना नहीं है, समझ लेना है. Then all this if you know, so it will be easy for you कि क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट क्या है, कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड कंपनी है, किसको टारगेट किसको करती है. टारगेट 12th जो अपियर कर रहा है या 12th पास कर चुका है, सीए करने का सोच रहा हो या सीए रिलेटेड कोर्स कर रहा हो, ऐसे लोगों को हमें टारगेट करना होता है. एंड यस, दे आर पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड. ACCA इज a growing thing now. Lot it is spreading like hell and people want to do and understand about it and they are doing it. So this is how it's gonna help. This is how initially you need to understand, and then you prepare yourself and come for the interview.